Welcome to our brand new video, friends. See, we have many colorful toys with us and I am going to show you all of them. Okay, we have cartoon car, double decker bus, school bus, police bike and many more. So let's drive all of them one by one. So the first one is a bullet train. See how big it is. Let's drive this. Wow, friends, see, this bullet train can run very fast. I think if friends like this bullet train, okay, this is yellow and blue color, 4 wheels under it, and see, wow, just wow sound. Okay, this is a bullet train. See, there is a sticker on top of it written bullet train. So let's get the next one. Wow, a hero looking policeman with a police bike. Let's drive this. Wow, friends, see, this police bike is looking very smart and amazing. This hero looking policeman wearing a sunglass, looking like very smart. Okay, there is a signal light behind this man and it's pink and blue color combination. I think you friend like this bullet, like I think you friends like this police bike very much. So I'm going to get the next one. Wow, this one is a mountain car. Let's drive this. Wow, friends, this mountain car is nice, very nice. It's pink and green color. See, and see the magic. Wow, this is very nice. Very nice and funny. I think you friends like this mountain car. This can ride very fast and ride up mountain very easily. So let's drive the next one. Wow, this little school bus is looking very nice. Let's drive this. Wow, friends, this school bus is looking very amazing and smart. Little school bus, blue, black and red color. See, 4 little wheels. And wow, just hear the gear up sound. Wow, I think you friends like this school bus very much. So let's see what is waiting for us. Wow, friends, double decker. Let's drive this. Okay, I parked this double-decker bus behind the school bus. This is very nice looking. It's red and green color. See, four little wheels. Wow. I think you friends like this double-decker very much. There are seats inside the bus for the passengers. A little door to get in the bus. See, this is very nice. A seat for the driver. This steering, blue colored steering, looking very nice. Okay, so let's see what is the next. Wow, friends, see, this one is a cartoon car. Let's drive this. Wow, friends, this cartoon car is looking very nice and funny. See, wow, these are very nice looking, yellow and green color combination. It has two eyes and it is looking at us. This is very nice looking. I think you friend like this cartoon car very much. So we have completed driving all of our toys and hope you friends like all these. So let's see in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye bye.